In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase the font size on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side underneath vision, select text size. Where it says text size right below, underneath text size preview, you can just drag it to the right to make it appear larger. Select apply to confirm, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.